This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. The company secretary of Reliance Industries Limited. Yes, we have none other than the stalwart in the profession with 35 years experience, CS Sudhakar Saraswatula. CS Sudhakar sir is a great person, very down to earth, very humble, and his knowledge is unparalleled, and he's very open in his views. Sudhakar sir has talked to us about the entire experience of how he is a company secretary. Sudhakar sir is working with the Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited is India's biggest company. He works there as the Vice President of the Corporate Secretarial Department. There are more than 80 to 90 people working in the Corporate Secretarial Department, which includes company secretaries and CS trainees. His experience is amazing, and we are so happy that he'll be sharing his views so that you do well in your career. Before we go into the interview, we should understand the context with respect to the magnitude and the amount of work what Sudhakar sir is handling. That is why we should know about Reliance. Reliance Industries Limited is India's biggest company. They have businesses in different sectors, whether it is the traditional petrochemicals, textiles, energy, or they're also into retail, and of course Reliance Jio, that is telecommunications. In fact, you may be watching this interview on a Reliance Jio connection. The company is well known not across India but also globally, and they have grown leaps and bounds, especially in the last decade, over and above already their stupendous success in the last 40 to 50 years. Reliance is not only the biggest company in India, it is the company which is most traded, that is the most publicly traded company in India, and they are the most profitable company in India, and they have almost 300 companies when you look at the subsidiaries, associate companies, and all the other companies in this huge multinational conglomerate that is Reliance Industries. Even when you look at the revenue side, Reliance is the biggest company, and it has also surpassed government companies like the Indian Oil Corporation. So we are talking about a real huge giant when we talk of the corporate world, and just imagine how it must be to head the entire corporate division with respect to the secretarial practices of Reliance Industries Limited. And Sudhakar sir is the person who's given us his time, who will be sharing his entire experience about his time at Reliance. Not only that, recently Reliance Industries became the first company in India to cross the magical figure of $200 billion in market capitalization. So this is a huge company, and the role of a company secretary is extremely important so that the company and all the associates and subsidiaries are on the right side of the law, giving the perfect support for the growth of the company. Before we go into the interview, it is our duty to understand the profile and experience of Sudhakar sir. Sudhakar sir is a qualified chartered accountant and company secretary. That is very interesting. He has the dual qualification. He is a fellow member of both the institutes. Apart from that, he is also qualified the ICSA UK course, and is a qualified secretary from there. Sir is also a law graduate from Mumbai University. Sudhakar sir has a rich experience of 35 years plus and still counting, and he's been with the Reliance Industries Limited from 2005. And he's the Vice President of the Secretarial Department. And he's doing a great job at Reliance and taking Reliance to the next level. Before Reliance, sir has worked with Berger Paints for about 15 years, where he handled both secretarial and the finance and accounts. Sudhakar sir is also giving great service to the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. He is an esteemed member of the Secretarial Standards Committee, that is the committee which finally drafts and approves the secretarial standards, like all of you know about Secretarial Standard 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sir is also the Vice Chairman of the Secretarial Standards Expert Committee for the year 2020. You may know about the ICSA Vision Group. Sudhakar sir is also a member of the ICSA Vision Group, not only for formulating, for implementing ICSA Vision 2022. Apart from this, sir is a member of the PhD Chamber of Commerce, and he's been serving this from 2017. He is a regular faculty of the Institute of Directors. He is a guest faculty at National Institute of Securities Market, from the prestigious KJ Somaya Institute in Mumbai. Speaking is Sir's passion, and he has addressed more than 400 different seminars with the ICAI, ICSI, and the Cost Accountant Institute. Besides that, he is also a regular speaker with the programs organized by Wolters Kluwer, that is the publisher. Not only does Sir love to address the members and students, but he has also authored many articles, and this is on a wide range of corporate laws which is applicable with the changing regime of corporate law which is happening in India. And not only that, Sir has also addressed the MSOP students, or what we used to call SMTP, for more than 15 years. It is really a privilege that Sir has agreed to be on our show, The World of Company Secretaries. It is very rare to get time of stalwarts like this. We are very happy that he's willing to share his experience. I'm sure there is lots for us to get inspired in this interview. These are just the professional qualifications and the work which Sir is doing. But Sudhakar Sir, besides all this, is extremely humble, down to earth, and always ready to share his knowledge. And this is what makes him really special. So let us go and meet him in the interview, and there is lots for us to learn, not just about corporate law, but many, many life lessons. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Hello, sir, and welcome to the World of Company Secretaries.
Very much, Alok, for this such invitation and to interact with all your members and students also. Thank you very much.
So we are very happy you made time for this. Sir, first thing we want to know, as a Vice President of Corporate Secretarial at Reliance Industries Limited, we would like to understand how big the team is and who all are part of this big team which you are heading.
Okay. Look, let me put a disclaimer that whatever the views I'm expressing, these are all my personal views. Wherever any reference comes to my company, that is not the views of my employer as such.
Sure, now, sir.
As far as, because ours is a big conglomerate and number one in size in India, to handle this secretarial department, we have approximately 60 qualified company secretaries. And we have another 25 management trainees are there, 25 to 30 management trainees are there. So with the help of all these colleagues, and we run the department basically. And we have a centralized environment, and that, you know, the HOD is there, and then it percolates down to the leadership level. Then after that, the team leads. Then we have the functional company secretaries. And all the management trainees who are working with us, they are attached to the respective functional secretaries. And we give a full exposure by the time the management trainees complete the training with us and when they go out.
So basically, sir, it's almost 100-member team which has qualified company secretaries, trainees, and you're heading the entire team.
Yeah, approximately you can say that.